If you are selling through multiple sales channels, then Linnworks can be a helpful tool for your order management. Hello, I'm Shakwat from Ecomclips. In this video, I will discover how to manage orders coming from different sales channels in Linnworks. Order management in Linnworks can save you a lot of time. It allows you to manage and process the entire life cycle of your order. You can quickly download orders from many different channels. You will have full control over your stock, manage order, dispatch orders, post-order actions, and many more. For effective order management, you can save orders into one centralized platform. It's possible to upload orders into Linnworks in bulk using a CSV file and create orders directly when necessary. The stock label will automatically update when an order is received and processed from Linnworks. The system sends the new stock to all channels. This will reduce the risk of overselling. Let's have a quick view on how you can manage your orders in Linnworks. So let's go. If you go to Order menu, some new option will open. To check our new orders, click on Open Orders New. Here you will find order related information. You can see how many units are sending, dispatch date, shipping method, shipping address, fulfillment condition, etc. If you want to add a new order, go to the top right corner and click this new order. Then a new page will come up. Add your products from here. We are not gonna do that right now. So let's go back to our previous page. If you select an item from here, there are lots of options. You can process your order from here, or you can print your shipping label, invoice, pack list, and so on. It is also possible to change your shipping service if you need to. If you want to track your shipment, you need to go to the process order from here. Then right click on the order that you want to track. Then hover over view, then click on view order. A new page will open. Here you can see delivery details of that particular order. Now find the tracking link from this page and click on it. Automatically it will redirect to a new page. Here give you reference number to track your delivery. So this is the basic on how you can manage order in Linnworks. We also have videos on other features of Linnworks like channel integration, bulk listing, product import, and many more. You will find them on the link in the description. If you are already using Linnworks for your business, let me know your experience in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe. We have a ton of videos to level up your e-commerce business. Check them out. See you in another video. Till then, stay safe.